Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to solve problems involving function notation. Let's begin with the definition of function notation. So basically it is the way a function is written. It is meant to be a precise way of giving information about the function without a rather lengthy written explanation. So the most popular function notation is f of x. Okay, so we read that as f of x, not multiplication. Here's an example of a function. We have the x, which is the input value, and 3x plus 1 is the output value. The whole idea of the function notation is, given the input value, what is the exact output value? Here are examples of function notation. We have f of x equals x squared plus 1, g of x equals x minus 7, h of b equals 3b squared minus 2b plus 1, etc., etc. Okay, let's go straight to the examples. Given the function f of x equals 3x minus 5, find f of 4. So basically, the question is, what is the output value if the input value is equal to 4? So f of 4 is equal to what? Okay, so we have the function f of x equals 3x minus 5. And then f of 4 equals 3. What's the output value, or what's the input value rather? It's 4. So I will replace x by 4. That this is equal to 12 minus 5, which is equal to 7. So f of 4 is equal to positive 7. Next, so given the function f of x equals negative x squared minus 5x plus 4, find f of negative 3. Same idea. So we have f of negative 3 equals negative 3 square, okay, minus 5 times negative 3 plus 4. This is equal to negative 9. Negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to positive 9. Negative 5 times negative 3 is plus 15 plus 4. This equals negative 9 plus 19, which is equal to positive 10. So our f of negative 3 is equal to positive 10. Okay, let's go to the next example. Given the function g of b equals 2 over b plus 3, find g of b if b is equal to negative 4. So basically, it's just the same idea. If you remember what we did in the first 3 examples, that is the thing that we will still be doing here. Okay, so which means this is g of negative 4 equals 2 over negative 4 plus 3. So 2 over 4 is equal to negative 1/2. Okay, so if you notice, I put the negative sign in the numerator. We can do that. And then I simplified 2 over 4, which is 1/2. So this is going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. This is plus 2 times 1 is positive 2. This is equal to 5 over 2. Okay. Next. Now, here in this example, our input value is not a number. It's a term, negative 3b. But the idea of what we did earlier is the same thing as what we will be doing here. So since the input value is negative 3b, what we will be doing is we will replace all of the excess by that, negative 3b. So f of negative 3b is equal to 2 times negative 3b squared minus 4 times negative 3b plus 5. This is equal to 2 times, so negative 3 squared is 9b squared plus negative 4 times negative 3 is plus 12b plus 5. This is equal to 2 times 9 is 18, b squared plus 12b plus 5. So that is our answer. Okay, let's go to the next example. Okay, so here our input value is not a term, it's not a number, it's an expression, 3b plus 1. So what we will be doing is the same thing. So since our input value is 3b plus 1, we will replace the x by 3b plus 1. And then just solve this. 2 times 3b is equal to 6b. 2 times 1 is positive 2. Positive 2 plus 7. This is equal to 6b plus 9. Okay, next. Okay, so here, given f of x equals x minus 3 over 4 plus 9, if f of x is equal to 8, what is the value of x? So basically, the story here is what is the input value if the output is 8 given the function. So how are we going to set up the problem? First, I will write f of x equals x minus 3 over 4 plus 9. And then, since f of x is equal to 8, I will replace f of x by 8. So there we go. There you go. We have an equation here. We just need to solve for x. So every time you encounter a fraction in an equation, like in this case, it's easier, or we can simplify this by multiplying both sides by positive 4. So 4 times 8 rather, is 32 equals. So we can cross that out. Okay. X minus 3 plus 36. So this is 32 equals x. Negative 3 plus 36 is equal to plus 33. Okay. And then we will subtract 33 on both sides. So x equals negative 1. Now to check if our answer is correct, if we replace that x by negative 1, it's going to be negative 1 minus 3, which is negative 4 over 4, which is negative 1, plus 9, and that is equal to positive 8. Okay. Let's go to the last example. No, this is not the last. Yeah, this is second to the last. So given f of x equals x squared minus 10, if f of x equals negative 2, what is the value of x? Same principle as what we did in the previous example. So let's set up the problem first. There you go. Then we will replace f of x by negative 2. And then, just like what we did earlier, we will multiply both sides by positive 2. Okay, so whatever the denominator is, that's the number that you will multiply on both sides. This is going to be negative 4 equals, we can cross that out, x squared minus 20. And then we will add 20 on both sides. This is going to be 16 equals x squared. And then we will find the square root of both sides. Therefore, x equals positive negative 4. So there are two possible answers. X can be positive 4 or it can also be negative 4. Let's check. Negative 4 squared, that's 16, divided by 2 is 8, minus 10 is equal to negative 2. Okay, let's go to the last example. Okay, so here we have given f of x equals kx squared minus 4x plus 1. If f of positive 2 is equal to negative 3, what is the value of k? So we have here the input value, we have the output value, and we have the function. But in the function, you can see that there's a k there. We need to find that k. Okay, so this is how we set up the problem. First, I will write f of x equals k, okay, wait, kx squared minus 4x plus 1. So basically, I just rewrite the given. And then I will replace the f of x, okay, by negative 3. This is f of x, okay. And our x is positive 2. So I will replace all the x's by positive 2. So as you can see, we have now an equation that has one variable only, which is k. We just need to solve that. So this is negative 3 equals 4k minus 8 plus 1. So this is negative 3 equals 4k minus 7. And then we will add 7 on both sides. So we can cross that out. This is 4 equals 4k. And then divided by 4, divided by 4. So it's not 0, it's equal to 1. There you go. So that's how we solve problems involving function notation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Bye-bye and have a nice day.